5 vegan cookbooks that will help you get out of a cooking slump. Hi, you may notice I'm in my car. I need to find a quiet spot because it's not very quiet in the house anymore. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 books that I have that I went through all my cookbooks to look for the best things that I could offer you that might inspire you if you're in a cooking slump. Plus, these also make great gifts. So let's start with the first one, Vegan for Everybody. This one I actually bought. It's got the price tag on here, $19.99, and I bought it at Costco a few years ago. Oh my gosh, this is one that I use all the time. It's just got some really good, easy staples. Nothing is so crazy or exotic that you can't find the ingredients. And all these dishes are such, family-friendly foods. And I've really enjoyed this. So if it's still at Costco, buy it because it's under, $20. But it's also something that is perfect for those evenings after work or at the end of a long day. You can always find something in here that's really tasty. And I'm sure anybody would really appreciate this as a nice gift, that's maybe starting out as a plant-based eater, because like I said, it's nothing that's too exotic. You can find the ingredients at your local grocery store. Number 2, I think it's the first book I bought when I became plant-based, besides educational books on eating plant-based. So this one is the Oh She Glows cookbook, and I used to read her blog. Now this one also, I've made so many of these recipes and they're all delicious in here. And the good thing about it is they're also really easy, family-friendly meals that you can find the ingredients in any grocery store. I think by now she's got a few more cookbooks out. This is the one I've had for years and the one I've gone back to. It's got some really good, like I think I've made the cake in here for birthday cakes. So many good things. This was my first one and it's a staple probably in many vegan cooks' homes. Number 3, the Edgy Veg. This was a book I really wanted to get because she shows you how to make seitan in here. A lot of the recipes call for tofu, and if you have somebody like we do in our family that is allergic to soy, I didn't want to use tofu based meats and things. Well, actually, I was watching her cooking videos on YouTube, and I saw that she had a book out and she used a lot of seitan, which is made with wheat gluten. So obviously if somebody's a celiac, you wouldn't get this, this wouldn't be ideal for them. But this has really all the kinds of recipes in here that are in kind of mainstream diets, but she's veganized them using seitan and jackfruit and really things like that. It's a little bit more complicated, so it's not a super easy, like it's easy, but it's not for maybe the first time cook who's never cooked before to try to make some of these recipes. But if you're an experienced cook, you've cooked for your family, cooked here for yourself, and you want to dabble with some other things, this is really good because it's fun to have these recipes that you've maybe grown up on, like, let's see here, the all-day breakfast sandwich, Edgy Veg fried chicken, obviously with no chicken, things like that. So things that you might have had at home, but you get to have them now veganized. So this is a good one. It's a great one to just look at and get inspiration. Oh, I got this one. This one is beautiful. It's the homemade vegan pantry. The Art of Making Your Own Staples. The reason I got this book is because of dairy allergies, and I wanted to veganize some of my Finnish recipes. So I ended up making the veganized version of butter from this book. But this is something that if you've got all kinds of good cookbooks and somebody that's really loves to make homemade staples, how to make your own mixes for waffles and pancakes, make your own, it's got seitan recipes in here. It's got all the kind of staples that then you can make into other things. So, and it talks about what you should have in your pantry. And it's just a pretty book, and it's just that very homesteady vibe to it. So this would be really nice for somebody flaky unfish, things like that. A magic of pasta, really nice. Italian meatballs, pepe and pepperoni. veggie dogs, flaky unfish, but just even the cover of it is nice. So this is a really nice gift for somebody. I was given this one as a gift, and if you want inspiration, you can follow her on Instagram, but also the cookbook is beautiful, the Korean vegan cookbook. The pictures in here are incredible, and she weaves her family story throughout the book. If you're looking just for inspiration about what to make, you can get so many great ideas from this book. Vegetable broths and how to use sea vegetables. They're just beautiful. And then she's got her story. And like, look at this picture. If you're just looking for inspiration and you want something different, this is a beautiful coffee table book. It looks really pretty, so it's a wonderful gift. And then I've got a bonus for you that I think anybody would love to get as a gift, but I've also cooked from it. And I've talked about this in my other videos. It's the Blue Zones Kitchen. This is by Dan Buettner, and he talks about all the regions in the world where people live to be over 100 and stay healthy. Plus, he includes kind of their staple recipes. So when my daughter was in Costa Rica just in the summer, she sent me pictures of stuff she was eating. So I actually made them here when she was away because I wanted to try it. Nicoya, Costa Rica. And I made some of these foods from here. So this is actually a beautiful gift for somebody because it's got a little bit of history, it's got geographical information, and then it's got recipes. So I highly recommend this one for anybody that wants to get out of a slump and wants to try foods from different regions of the world, and also just to find out what people eat in regions of the world. So it's great for yourself to, kind of pep up your cooking, and also great as a gift. So I hope you enjoyed these. And I do have a video out that I reviewed another excellent cookbook. It's the Fiber Fueled Cookbook. So check that out if you're interested in that book, because it's got really, really good recipes in there too, and a lot of health information, which is really important. So have a great week and stay healthy. Bye.